Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of slowing down of Instagram. So for that, go to your phone settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on this apps. Now tap on this manage apps and here you have to simply search for Instagram. After opening the Instagram, click on this clear data and now tap on this clear all data and clear cache. Don't worry, it won't harm your Instagram. It will just remove all the searches that you have on Instagram. So it will just remove that memory from itself. After clearing all your data and cache memory, you can click on this force stop and then just restart your Instagram. And also you can check whether your Instagram is updated or not. If it is not, then just simply update it and try again and your Instagram will be working quite fine. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.